Yeah, can I have all of my wrestlers and my managers stand up real quick? Real quick, if you guys did not know, this team was the first team that Boltz has had in about 8 years at the podium as a team at districts. They got third. Give them a round of applause for that.
First, found costumes, tried on costumes, and more costumes. Learned music, learned a lot of choreography, practiced lines, and spent hours of their time at Boltz after school. They presented 3 very excellent performances of the classic musical, The Sound of Music. I want to recognize and honor their work, their dedication and commitment to excellence, and the reward and joy of being part of something bigger than just themselves. Congratulations to these 28 cast members, 3 techies, 8 extra guide dancers for your truly wonderful production. Thank you.
If you are in the Boltz Chamber Orchestra, will you please stand up? Let's give these guys a round of applause. So, Chamber Orchestra this year has had a really big year, and they went to the Broadmoor, Colorado Springs, and performed an amazing performance for several people around the state. And then yesterday they went to regionals, and they had an amazing performance at Fort Collins High School, standing ovation again, and lots of cheering for them. And they earned straight 1s, 1 perfect score, and straight superior ratings across the board. So we give them a round of applause. And then I had 19 auditions go in for the District Honor Orchestra, and 15 of those 19 auditions were selected to participate in the Honor Orchestra. And then Mr. Wynn has something to say about it.
Okay, if you know you got it into District Honor Band, stand up please. Honor Orchestra, stand up please. There you go. Hey, we represent Poudre School District with great music, so you should be proud of your fellow classmates.
Congratulations to the musicians. Hi, Boltz.
So as many of you know, we had our talent show last week. This was a long time in the making, and I'm so glad we finally got to do it. So if you were in the talent show, please stand up. Thank you.
What a fun talent show. I want to make sure that we honor a timeless tradition here at Boltz, which is the Phoenix of the Month, which is turned into a quarterly celebration where we honor many of you at a breakfast in the morning with your families. We had an opportunity to honor a whole group of just amazing Phoenix earlier this month. And so we want to have those people stand and be recognized. But before we do, I just want to mention how important it is for 6th and 7th graders to figure out how to become a part of one of those honorable teams that was represented up here today. Whether it be music or musical theater, if it's athletics or academic competition for you, the number one thing you can do to enjoy the next upcoming school year is to get involved in a new club or activity. So find one that fits you. And 8th graders, get involved in the high school next year. Finding those activities is a great way to make new friends for new schools. Here at Boltz, we like to honor Phoenix who stand out with consistency and kindness and work ethic in our classrooms and outside of Boltz. This last month we honored, please stand when I read your name, Ella Wynn, Kalia Nickerson, Sina Asmawar, Absa Latahari, Arthur Dudley, Brody McCloskey, Owen Carr, Abraham Livia Escoto, Casey Stanford, Maggie Lee, team at 5.